up, second Ollie. Living a dream, eh? Building a house in the woods, nice cottage. Live here, I guess, most of the year, best part of the year anyway. I guess it's something everybody dreams about doing, eh? Building a house in the woods and disappearing from the rest of the world. Well, anyway, that's not really my intention, but I will be spending a lot of time here. And I'm pretty much doing this by myself. Wife and kids come give me a hand when they get a chance, and whoever else I can con into coming in. Yeah, that'll be the neighbor, I guess. Probably get a few buddies together to go shingling later on next weekend. Yeah, just got to get the lumber. Alright, so here we are now at those half rafters. I got a few put up there. I got to make the rest, put them up before I can put them in place. One there laid out, ready to go up. In order to put these up, I had to put a load-bearing wall here, and there's 2 bedrooms behind that, and then I got to put another beam across here in the doorway, support the short rafters going out that way. And this is a 4x10 Douglas, 16 feet long. That's going to be the load-bearing support for the vaulted ceiling, and that's a little down the road. We got to get the rest of these up first. Alright, so I'll go ahead and now stick that bastard. These are these are a lot easier than those 32 footers, right? These are only, I think, 17 feet, I think, there, something like that. 16 something. Alright, so go ahead now and get that up. What did I do with my hard hat? I must say, everything is going good. Only fell out the roof once so far. My arm grinded out, hurt my leg. No worse for wear though. Sorry for the wind, it's blowing a bit hard here today. It's blowing right off the leg. Alright, so go ahead now and stick that bastard. Alright, so here we go. Like I said, these are a bit easier to handle. There's still that fucking light all the same. Bit easier. Here we go. By 4 walls, not much to walk on, I can guarantee you that. Not for the faint of heart either. That's it. 2 more to go. That ain't to it. Alright, I got a couple more of those put up. And oh yeah, I got a truckload of lumber to offload. I haven't been to sleep since yesterday, so little truckload there. Job to beat old Chev truck, eh? Alright guys, in the next part now, I'm going to show you how to build a vaulted ceiling, or rafters for a vaulted ceiling. I'm not going to use straight trusses, just 2x8s, because they're 6 feet long, 16 feet long, and they're fucking expensive. So I'm going to make some ladder trusses that are 2x4, which is cheap, and by cheap I mean pretty well free for me. And I'm going to make a cathedral ceiling in the den here. Alright, so stay tuned for that, everyone. Alright, so here we are, back at her again. Fucking beat. I fell out of rafters yesterday. Beat up my arm and shoulder pretty bad. The fucking neck is bad. I can't turn my head unless I pulled a muscle or something when I fell. Anyway, that's it. It is what it is. No pain, no gain, I guess. As I don't kill myself. Alright, here we are in the same fucking situation again. I got a 22-foot gable. I just tried. I can't get it up myself. I don't think. I'm gonna try something different this time. This is the gable for the dormer. Alright, so I gotta get that corner up on that beam and out on that wall. Now I couldn't do this before, but I can get up there this time. I'm going to get a rope and see if I can pull it up. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Alright, so here we go. We'll try it this way. The only concern I got is it's falling back over. I don't know what's going to happen here. We'll see. Bitch. Get it up so far and tie it off. I'll probably be able to. Jesus. Alright, you gotta come back. He's not gonna come back. Back this way so I get up, or back that way, or the other. Okay. Come on. Alright, take a break now. Pull me knot out of my stomach. Alright, so there we have it. That's the first vaulted rafter. And I can only stick that one because after that I got to get them all up in place. There's not enough room to stick one at a time, obviously. Yeah, so that's it. Know you're not allowed to use lumber for gussets, but guess what? I'm all out of plywood. I'm back here in the woods in the middle of nowhere, so I use what I got. Well, it works out. It should. I went the full width of the rafters, so it shouldn't be an issue, and it's nailed into the 2x4 span. So yeah, so. See it there. I got lumber sandwiched on either side. Now these supposed to be gusseted here and gusseted there, you know, like this. But like I said, that's it. I'm running out of lumber, so I got no other choice. It's not like I can zip over to the hardware store or nothing. We're in the fucking middle of nowhere. Alright, so I'll go ahead now, stick that one, and 7 more to go. Alright, I got those 7 stock, and I managed to get one side lumbered today. That's it. I was hoping to get the whole thing lumbered, but I had to spend most of the day straightening and leveling all the rafters. It took a lot longer than I expected, so that's it. That's all I can do. Alright, so here we go. Man, oh man, what a snarl of framing, eh? It's a lot of work, boy, for one fella. Wife was in today and give me a hand. And the young feller.
Hello.
So there we go. That's that cathedral ceiling. I managed to get a bit of lumber on that side. Still some more framework got to go over here to tie the two roofs together, and I can't do it until I get it lumbered. So, and it's going to be a few days before it gets back at her. Looking the other way. And you see this right here. Originally, I wanted this to angle back to the wall, but it'll be awful hard because the chimney is going up through here. It'll be awful hard to mount the chimney, so I decided to square it off. Yeah, it looks like we got a guy going fishing. Let's hope he don't like him. So, here! Get here! Blood of a bitch. Yeah, so that's it there now. Got a bunch of lumber here now. And I'm gonna need to saw some more. I'm pretty sure I haven't got enough, so blowing a gale here today. God bless. If it wouldn't be hot enough to fucking murder you. That's it. Awesome. You can see how I got these tied together. The first two comes right on out for the eave. The rest of them are chopped off square, and that rafter is nailed into them and then down to that load bearing wall. Yeah. That's it. Alright guys, take it easy. So that's the end of this show today, guys. And there's lots more to do yet, so click that subscribe button and stay tuned. Take it easy.